Last episode, you watched me rip all the panels off this car, but the next thing that we've got to do is pull the engine out. The beauty of the Mk1, the whole car lifts up and the engine stays on the ground. To make it look really easy. Don't know how much I trust these fuel lines, because this is knacked as well. Pull the metering head off, put it somewhere safe out the way, because that probably needs rebuilt anyway. So for those of you watching who are more familiar with a modern fuel injection system with electronics, the K-Jet system uses what they call a continuous mechanical fuel injection system. So I've now disconnected these fuel lines that run to the injectors. So this thing is called the metering head. The air that flows through here raises a flap, and as that flap raises, that richens the mixtures. With the metering head off, you can see how completely ruined it is. This was thick with cobwebs. That hole there, I mean, how much fuel is going to flow through that? The bottom of the airbox, what's all this stuff? So the next thing to come off is the bottom of the wishbone. Now this one is terrifying. It's very easy to strip a nut on the inside of this, and it's a captive nut. So if you break it, you've got to open the chassis rail up and weld a new nut in. But with this body shell, I think we're going to be doing a bit of welding anyway. Look at the size of them brakes. This body shell is so rusty that the captive nut on the end of the engine mount is no longer captive. Helpful. Completely out of the blue, I received a message from the wife of the man who originally built this car when it had been magazine featured in Revs magazine, December 1996. She also sent me this information here. You'll see that the cylinder head has been worked and it's making about 150 brake horsepower. I'm very keen to get hold of a copy of Revs magazine, so if you've got one, let me know. We've rejoined the action where my wife's testing the strength of the front panel of the car. The engine's on the floor. What's next for this car? We'll strip the interior and then we'll spin the car around and drop the rear beam off with the rear brakes. If you're enjoying the series, please let me know in the comments and make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a video.